Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share something on just social media. So for this one, let's go ahead and we're going to go into our PDFs here, and we're going to choose this Meet the Good Inside or Meet Touchstone PDF. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Down here at the bottom, you're going to see share. It's going to have email, SMS, social. For this one, I'm going to show you how to share it through social. So we're going to hit social here. The next thing you're going to see is it tells us we can write a unique message here, or we can use this example message. So if we hit use example message, it's going to pop up a message. One thing to keep in mind is this, with this pre-written message here, is that we have to change this by about 10% or more, or Facebook will limit the number of individuals that it's actually seen by. They're looking for unique content, so they won't allow that to be seen by very many people at all if it's not unique. So we want to change that. So just really quickly for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and put testing this feature to show Touchstone and product. And maybe I'll just go ahead and erase some of it here. And I'm just gonna change this just to make sure it's 10%. And you may not even have to do that if you've added enough extra text, but for that one, I'm just going to go ahead and erase that. Then I'm gonna hit copy here. And you're gonna see that it's going to next pop up it'll pop up my social media channels that I have. Facebook, it's got my Instagram in here. So I can go into my Facebook here, and I'm gonna go ahead and post that. So I'll go ahead and post that onto my Facebook page. And that's really as simple as it is. So that's sharing through social.